Yo, yo, yo. Cash's Candy Classics live. Made a little trip up here to one of my warehouses where I had to move some cars, you know, because the neighbors love me. You know, we live on almost 10 acres, residential zoning. Asshole neighbor want to call the police all the time. You know how that goes. I figure I'll show y'all a few of my cars though while I'm up here. And I hope y'all enjoy. So I bought this warehouse. I'm gonna flip it around now. I bought this warehouse here up in the mountains. 12,000 square feet. That's a Cadillac hearse right there. Sorry, had the bug fly in my eye. So I got a little stack of Lincolns up here. I do all kind of cars, just so y'all all know. All big body Lincolns. For everybody, I see a couple more people joining in. Whoo, buddy. Another Lincoln there. I got a couple of these old Cadillacs here for some frame swaps. You know what I mean? I frame swapped these with the LT1s on them on some older Cadillacs. Then I got an old Lincoln there. Another Fleetwood, 90s Fleetwood. Like I say, I get these for frame swaps. They got the LT still in them. Old 54 Bel Air. 4-door. Now, let me get over here. Alright, here we go. 39 International. I got this truck out of a barn. I mean, it's got some stitches. Man, this thing's got class, y'all. I'm telling you. Like, it ain't rusted out. That's the floor. I mean, what? 2 holes in that floor panel? Old farm truck. Pulled it out. Got it running. Hadn't run in 50 years till I got it, man. Old grill on that 54. This old parts car here. Got old 56. Got that off the old farm down here. Another Continental. I like big bodies. Another Continental. A couple of newer things. Got old Cadillac, Honda van. Let's go back this way. Another Bel Air right there. Just for all y'all tuning in, man. This is my warehouse I bought a couple years ago. I had to put a new roof on it. This is where I store all my cars because my neighbors love me. Old 57. Got a couple more 65, 66s right here. Pulled them down here from New Jersey. 57, 2-door hardtop. And there's the hearse, baby. Gotta love them. It's like a 1940s, somewhere in there, hearse. That's my Buick, 53 Buick. That's my hot girl. She dodging. That's Stephanie. She packages everything y'all get. That's the wifey. This is one we bought together. This is a 50 dually. We're going to do something with that one day. She said it had cascading lease on there. Look at that grill on that Buick. Yeah, but you know, for everybody tuning in, this has actually got a Cadillac swap motor in it. Everybody tuning in, man, this is my... Let's walk this way. She gonna climb that truck. Yeah, go ahead and climb the truck. She gonna climb the truck. Let's get this on film. She says she wants to see what's over there. So I moved, I don't know, 80, 85 cars up here. Because my neighbors, you know, like I say, we lived on 10 acres. Here.
Oh, we're going this way?
I guess.
You don't want to show them that stuff?
So, come around this way. That's that 50 dually. Got old C10 right here. All canary yellow. Ain't no holes in it nowhere. None. Let's see if we can get bit by some snakes. Some shit right here. Another C10 right there. This motherfucker ready right here, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, it's a factory AC truck, no rust, nowhere. There's the bed size. And then here we got a old 59 Buick. Yeah, so this one I started on a body swap. This is sitting on a 90s Cadillac frame like I was showing y'all up front. Oh, 59 Buick. Solid car, man. So here's my pride and joy.
Wow.
She's like, wow.
All that.
She ain't been up here since I moved all these. So we got a, 60 flat top right here, chilling in the cut. Lincoln Premier with a Continental kit on it right here. Chilling in the cut, just to give y'all a scan. I'll go over all of them with y'all. 61 bubble top, original. 348 car. But I gotta tell Andrew Rumbly, because he probably gonna see this soon, it ain't for sale though. I bought that from him. That was 61 bubble. Probably one of the oldest Cadillacs in the Cadillac Kings right here. 38. I'm gonna get it back to my shop. I'm gonna swap it. Look at that emblem, bro. And then, I got some solid C10 cabs and stuff sitting around. That Lincoln. All these ornaments on these Lincolns, man, were brass. Yeah, but that's my Lincoln. Another Cadillac right there, like a 41. I say 41, 42. Another 60 coupe back there. And that's my dirt track car. You can play around with that, fuck the neighbors. Another 60 coupe right here. This is why they call me the Cadillac King, y'all. Right here, another 60 coupe. We ain't playing. I don't know if any of y'all even know what this is. 57 Nomad. Another caddy right there. It's like a 41 four-door. 67 Chevelle. Original 327 wagon. You know them wagons are hot right now. 58 Cadillac right here. This is one of the first ones that I got hold of. Oh, 58 Caddy right there. Couple 60 coupes. Another 59 Buick. Now this one's an Invicta right here. Let's see. 67 convertible. Another 59 Buick. Just for anybody that thinks, Buicks are hard to find or Caddies are hard to find. Another 59 Bel Air. 60 Electra 225. Pretty solid cars. But this is the back side of my warehouse. Inside, it's 12,000 square feet. And I actually don't have nothing in there yet because I put the roof on this building myself. Like I say, the neighbors, they love me because all these cars were at my house. So right here we got a 59 wagon. I don't know if y'all even know, but hey, that is a one-off, 1 year only roof rack. 59 only. That bracket makes it 59 only. Yeah, 59 wagon. I bought all new set of doors for it. And then in here, I bought tailgates. Those come from out west. 100% rust-free tailgates. Yeah, that's one me and my daughter are going to build together. Another C10 cab. Another pride and joy right here, baby. When I tell y'all this is a money car, 59 two-door Impala. No holes in the floors, none. Solid car. I got a new trunk lid for it because that one flew up. But yeah, I got a new trunk. I got all new trim for this car. One day, I'll take y'all around this way. So this was like an old cabinet manufacturing warehouse that I got. And last time I came up here, I took that backside off there, opened that up so I could put a roll-up door and get some of my cars on the inside. I know, right, Vince? Bro, that 59 Impala, I'm telling you, like 3 years ago, because I'm not selling it, so it doesn't matter. About 3 years ago, I paid $4,000 for it, and it had every piece of trim in it had been redone, either new or been redone. And you know, right here, old 59 El Camino. I just like 59s and 60s. Another 59 flat top Buick. Another Cadillac hearse. Oh, I'm in the hearse game, but I like them old hearses. When I pull up in that all black hearse. And then back there we got a 39 Plymouth. Another caddy back there. 65, 66, something like that. This is my Fastback Galaxy. Original 390 car. Nice little car. Imperial, Chrysler Imperial. And it's the Crown. Similar to the one the dude at the pawn shop has. Whatever the dude's name is. I don't watch a lot of TV. I bought this State Trooper car right here. It's got an LS in it. Another 59 Buick. This one right here has got a two-tone paint job. Patterned out roof. This is one of my pride and joys I got right here, man. Solid bed. 49 International. Dude, this truck was solid as a rock. And a tree fell on it. Crushed it. I tried to pull it out as good as possible, but I bought this one at an auction, man. It's one of the first tow trucks in the area we live. This is a, I think it's a 36 Chevy. Man, when I got that thing at the auction, bro, I had to literally cut like 5 trees out of that truck. But it has the original hook. That thing's a monster, bro. That winch, they winched them up by hand. But this is just a few, man. Like, I probably got another 50 or more at the house. Once again, that's the hot girl Steph, the wifey. She packs all y'all's stuff. We appreciate all y'all's support, man. And that was a walk around the outside of the shop. And, you know, we got the little gas station sign up there, and gotta put it on the door, the candy shop. But as you can imagine, the neighbors around here, they love us too. But this is actually in the mountains, so yeah, man, just wanted to give y'all an overhaul of what we got up this way. And appreciate y'all for tuning in. I actually had to ride up here to get a few parts for something we got coming up, man. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate all the love and support. We'll holler at y'all. All right, man.